Hello fellow bookworms and bibliophiles, welcome back to Squirrel's Bookshelf. I'm Jess, head squirrel, and today is another lesson in book care and repair. Today's lesson is going to be a pretty quick and easy one where we're going to straighten out warped hardbacks. So, if you have a hardback that looks warped or curved like this one, the good news is it should be fairly easy to fix. While the internal pages may still appear slightly warped, the issue is mainly down to the boards or covers. Once those are straightened, the pages will generally settle into a straightened position as well, so long as they haven't endured any severe bumping or creasing. To fix this, you'll just need a table, desk, counter, or any other surface with a straight edge. What we'll essentially need to do is use that straight edge to gently shape the board back into a straightened position. So I'm going to hold the first board with the curve extending away from me and place it against the edge of the desk, starting from nearest the spine. Now, I generally like to keep my hands in a cupped position while doing this, so I don't accidentally press too hard and put a crease in the board. But all you need to do is pull the board across the edge of the desk while applying gentle, even pressure. If you're unsure about how much pressure to apply, keep it nice and gentle. You can do this multiple times if the first pass hasn't straightened the board enough, so it's always better to be more careful the first few tries. For the other board, I will once again place it curved side down on the edge of the board, which of course will be facing the opposite direction from the first board. Once you've done this and got the board sufficiently straight, it is possible some further work may be required, such as putting the book in a press to straighten the pages or a skewed spine, or you may need to tighten up some loose hinges. For tutorials on each of those, check out my previous videos linked in the description. And that's it! Like I said, it was a pretty quick and easy repair. If you would like more tips on book repair, or if you want to learn about anything else bookish related, please consider subscribing and joining our squirrely nerdy bookish community. Until the next one, be kind, be curious, and be effective. Bye!